angel honey. See, she's very tired after the wedding. Honey, how tired are you after the wedding? I was very tired. Yes. Oh, I'm tired. That's not about you, Goldie. You're tired? Oh, that's Goldie's looking.
All the puppies are 9 days old today.
This is the puppy of the day.
And what's its name, Katie?
Its name's Fred.
Fred? How are you, Freddie?
I'm good. Yes.
Yes, Goldie. Hello, Goldie.
Say hello. What's your camera?
They're very noisy.
This is their first sunbath.
They're having a sunbath today. This is the first time they've been in Mandy's cage. And they're not particularly happy.
This one's happy. He's sleepy.
That little Fred. Here we have all the babies sleeping. And Goldie. Goldie's been a really great girl.
Oh, there's my puppy of the day. Puppy of the day. Sleeping Beauty.
We have A for Annabelle and B for Ben, C for Cece, D for Deefa, F for Freddie,
What about E?
E for Edward,
Ed.
Ed, G for George, H for Heidi, and I for Iggy. Oh look, they're walking. That's Iggy walking. You're a good girl, Goldie.
Starting to walk.
Their first steps.
Yay! First step, first step. See if you can walk. Walk, walk, Freddie. Go, Freddie. Come on. Go, Freddie. Walk. Come on, Freddie. Come on, are you walking, Freddie? Not walking. Hey, look, that one's walking. Oh, that one did a poo, Goldie. Look at his bum. Ooh.
Katie, take it away.
Look, they're all starting to walk. Look, that one's walking. Is that Heidi? No, that's Annabelle.
They are all starting to walk.
Look, that one's walking.
Yeah, I know. Puppy's first steps. Whoops, Goldie. There you go.
Come here, excited, honey. One more thing.
Cece, who rose on their bottoms with a felt pen so we could identify them. Here's Freddie. F for Freddie. names keep coming off though. When Deefa was George yesterday, and George was Deefa, we got them mixed up this morning. Oh, you're a good girl, Goldie. You're so clever, Goldie.
Mom, you have to get a picture of Heidi. She's got her eyes open.
No, she hasn't.
She has?
Wait a minute, bring it back. I haven't taken it yet. On.
She's opening her mouth as big as yours.
Oh, they are. They're just opening, aren't they, Heidi?
It's like she's going squinting, eh?
Just opening.
I wonder what she can see. I wonder if she can see light.
What a beautiful girl. This is Katie and Heidi, sisters. How sweet.
By the time I come
Smile,
back,
Heidi.
next Wednesday.
What a good girl.
Can I do some typing, Mummy? Have you started yet?
Yep.
This is Cece. She's very pretty and she's very good at swimming and she likes athletics. She's good at running the 1 centimeters and she's not very good at hurdles. This is Heidi. She's the former heavyweight champion. She likes eating food. She's very good in those milk contests. And she likes yawning. This is Freddy. And he likes going to sleep with me. And he likes playing with me. And I like Freddy. This is Deefa. Donald, as Mrs. Troughton calls him. He is very shy, but I love him still. Deefa is very nervous from the camera. He doesn't like, and that's why he's turning his head. And he likes sucking fingers.
Who's hiding in the garden?
Who's hiding in the garden? Annabelle's camera shy.
Hello, Annabelle.
We haven't done it. Can we go looking? This is Annabelle. She likes looking for things in bushes. And when she grows up, she wants to be a famous explorer. That is Heidi. She's not Annabelle. We had a slight problem. The producer gave me the wrong name. Now, this one here, not this one. This one is Iggy. And Annabelle is good at stuffing away food into her little stomach and still looks skinny because she burns it off in her gymnastics training. When Annabelle grows up, what do you want to be? See? A famous gardener. This puppy's name is called Iggy. He is a very nice puppy and he is one of the whitest. He is now, how old is he?
19
He is 19
days.
days old and he's my sweetie pie, and when he grows up he wants to be a sheep farmer and help on the land.
And what's he best at?
He is best at oh, yes, that's right. He is best at rounding up the puppies when we need them for shows. This one is wants to be on camera.
George.
George likes being on camera. Who haven't we done yet?
Actually, that's not George.
Yes, it is.
That's Deefa.
No, this is Deefa. Look, this is Deefa.
Is it a girl or a boy?
They're both. That's Deefa, isn't it?
Yeah, George was the original George.
So this George.
That's George.
This is Deefa. This is George. They look the same, but they are different.
Oh, who's on her own?
Oh, this is Ben. This is Ben. Ben likes being a baby. And come on, Ben, face the camera. Ben's a little camera shy. Go on, face the camera. Yeah. And Ben likes rowing with his fellow teammates. George. And when Ben grows up, he wants to live with a nice family and eat lots of sausages. Who haven't? With little flowers. This is Cece Babcock. As you can see, definitely not off the nanny. Well, Cece does look a bit like you, off the nanny. And Cece's hobbies are doing ballet, making herself look pretty. She's now 19 days old, and she just wants to say to everyone that she loves this flower in her ear because it makes her look beautiful. She says that more puppies and people should wear flowers in their ears so they look just as beautiful as her. Have we done them all now?
Okay.
Eddie, the adventurer. Eddie, the adventure puppy. Hello, my name's Eddie. I like going for lots of walks and playing with my brothers and sisters. When I go for walks, I usually get lost and I need someone to save me. Katie is a very nice girl and she comes and sometimes saves me. After my walks, I get very tired and I have to go to sleep. Hi, Deefa. These are the little puppies. Here's Deefa and Benny. I can't find them at the moment. They're around here somewhere. Oh, there they are. What are you doing?
Oh, you're beautiful. You're beautiful.
There's Goldie. How are you, Goldie? We can interview Goldie.
Goldie's 16 years old. some problems, Cece. Did you lose your flower? How did you lose your flower, Cece?
Here's Wally carrying a puppy. Freddie.
Freddie.
Oh, Freddie. Freddie, get your face out of camera. Freddie.
Oh, the movie's face from the camera.
Oh, look, here's a little puppy. Just walking. Yes. Get the other way, Walter. I think it's ready to do a poo. Get the other way.
Don't. Put it on.
Oh, I just tried to take it. It's so cute.
Embarrassing.
It's very embarrassing. Come on, I put you on Goldie. Here, you go on Goldie. You go on the jar. Puppy, look, it's snowing. It's snowing. Oh, what's no? Yeah. No, look, there's a little puppy. I'll show you the 9. 1. Itchy. What 2? Knee. Claw. Saw. Catcher. She. 5. 6. Go. 6. 6.
No.
Go. It's go. Number 7. That's what you want to do. Set. She go like a itchy hatchy. Itchy. Where can I that one? Oh, isn't it cute? Yeah. Look at those eyes. Oh, they're beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. 8. Wheat. You have to like me. I'm so fine to you. Hatchy? I'll give you everything. Guess who that is? That is 9. Nerve. There you go. Cute. She needs on. She go. Look what she says. She can do. Pretty. She's sleeping. She's sleeping.
Despite the fact that it is now a series, what's your thoughts on that one? Oh, well, I think you'd have to work alongside and a great who replied with.
This is George feeding.
He looks like a seal.
Good swimming action, George.